Very good evening, friends. It's Professor Chintamani. And friends, welcome back to this educational channel on YouTube. Friends, in this particular channel, there happens to be the wide rise of only and only educational content and nothing else. So, friends, in case if you want to see personally concocted lectures, in which I basically share my own knowledge or rather my own experience, which I have with medical science. As I've already told you, I happen to be an aerospace engineer by my profession, but still I have qualified NEET examination. All right. So now today's topic, friends. Let us actually, uh, expostulate the topic, or rather the so-called subject of galactorrhea. Basically, it's not a subject; it's simply a topic. All right. So, friends, in all of our past videos, we have in fact tried to speak on these topics, such as galactorrhea, about breastfeeding, about lactation, even about suckling or lactogenic, about galactogenesis. Friends, so in this particular video, the reason why we are talking about galactorrhea is, friends, because galactorrhea, as we all know, seems to be a medical condition in which uh, the bodies of both males and females basically, are basically triggered to actually release excessively high level of the hormone prolactin, or rather the prolactin hormone. So, guys, this does not usually happen, under normal conditions anyway, because the body of a male and female, have got definite degrees of definite degree of concentration or definite degree of the percentage of prolactin hormone, and which is obviously lesser in males as compared to females, and which clearly means that the level of prolactin in human females seem to be much more, and not exactly much more, but it happens to be more than a human male. And obviously, friends, the level of prolactin hormone is basically enriched, or rather, it's actually even more intensified, during the times of pregnancy, or during the time of a childbirth, or maybe birthing process, or while actually, the biological process of breastfeeding and lactation. So that is a time, while a human female's body actually, naturally releases the hormone prolactin. But friends, under this medical condition known as galactorrhea, what really happens is, guys, that the megagrams per deciliter, megagrams per deciliter, which seems to be a volume of determination of the level of prolactin, or rather of measuring the level of prolactin in the human body. That is actually really messed up, guys, because mg per dl actually mg by dl actually really increases, increases heavily in its number, guys. And it's like nothing else. It's like nothing before. This, friends, the thing seems to be that galactorrhea basically, is a kind of a medical condition in which, the body of a particular human female or male, basically excessively secretes the hormone prolactin. And anyways, guys, the thing seems to be that prolactin hormone, as we all know, is responsible directly for breastfeeding and lactation. So, guys, the thing which takes place is that galactorrhea, is really common, guys. One out of three males, one out of three males, tend to have that medical condition known as galactorrhea. Obviously, there happen to be multiple kind of experimental and research findings, but still, on average, one out of every three males or boys, or rather men, are actually suffering from that medical condition known as galactorrhea. So which directly means that their bodies, in fact, produce milk, in the same way in which the human female's body, or same way in which women's body do. Now, friends, there is nothing so shocking or alarming about it, but it's simply the way in which Mother Nature has actually made us. So that was about galactorrhea. And in case in order to know more, please subscribe to my channel, and please do comment down below, and please like my content, and please do hit on the bell icon. See you, and all the best for your exams. Professor Chintamani signing off.